The time has come. Dead memes, wake up. Over the years, our illusion magic skills have reached their peak. Using that magic, we will suddenly infiltrate the Earth and dominate people's unconsciousness. The humans of Earth will be forced to remember us.
Baby, I feel like Mr. Beast in Ohio is ringing somewhere in my heart.
What are you talking about, honey?
I feel the Ohio Beast.
Everyone in the world is going crazy over dead memes. Please give me the wisdom of life to defeat dead memes in the world.
Disciple, listen carefully. There's only one way to defeat them.
What is that?
To defeat them, you gotta squint your eyes.
I know you're here.